Is there any question you'd want to ask me as a mom? Like a very personal question.
No.
Oh, you scared? Yes, ask.
I'm not scared.
Eh?
Do you like beating us?
No, I don't longer beat Kai. Do I beat you nowadays?
No.
No, I've improved. Where? Wakifika teenager, like lazima, we improve, then you make them your friend. Sindio, mom?
Yeah,
Do you have any personal question to me? Because me, I have so many personal questions to you. So we better balance.
Me, I don't have any personal questions for you.
Yes, you do.
I've only been in your life for 12 years. Like.
Yeah, then you should have one big personal question to me.
I don't think I have any. I think maybe like if you ask me questions, maybe like the question will pop up.
Okay, fine.
Yeah.
Question number 1. What most do you love about this family? And what do you hate about this family?
Okay. What I love about this family. What I love about this family. Oh my gosh. What I love about this family. What do I like about this family? I don't know what I like about this family. I don't in a bad way though. But like I've never really asked myself that question. What I love about this family. Okay, I love like this family, like you can be yourself around anybody. Like you don't have to fake stuff, like you're yourself, you know. So that's what I like about this family. And what I hate about this family, this family or my parents, there's a difference. Family and my parents.
Oh, parents.
Parents.
Yeah.
What I don't like about my parents at all is that y'all are too strict on the smallest stuff.
We are strict. That one we pass. African parents are strict. Definitely.
No, you trust me on things like they don't understand. They treat me like a grown up on other things, but then other things y'all don't treat me like a grown up. That's the issue.
By the way, I took your phone for good last week. Can we talk about it?
No.
Do I tell people what happened?
I told all of my friends that don't ever text me ever again.
Why?
Because my mom has my phone and like it's taken away forever. So like if you want to tell me something, tell me physically, don't tell me. Because like there's no point because my mom took it away.
For good. Do you want to tell people here why I took your phone for good? Can we talk?
No.
Why?
Why are you going to expose me? It's not actually funny, don't.
Okay, fine. I took away her phone for good. So Sky doesn't...
Because you're not hearing me out. What I explained.
Can you explain here? Okay, on camera?
I'll cut this part out.
The thing I like about you, Mom, is that when somebody does something, you apply it to everyone. Like if I do something...
Yeah, Danny, why are you here?
Why are you here? Okay, let me ask you, Sky. Let me ask you. Is the story of like you being in a blended family affect you in any way? Like the way you have 2 dads and you're going to have 2 moms?